Welcome to Intro. From today onwards, we are going to start about our C language tutorial series, and this is the first video of the series. In this video, I'm going to discuss about some introduction about C language or some basic features of C language. So let's get started. So what is C language? C is a programming language. Obviously, it is a programming language. That's why we are learning that. Okay. So C language was developed in 1972 by Denis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories of American Telephony and Telegraph. You can search on the Google for the more information about American Telephony and Telegraph. Okay. So Denis Ritchie is known as founder of C language because he has developed this language. That's why he is a founder, obviously. Why C? Why we want to learn C as a very basic or beginning language of learning all the programming languages? Because it's very simple and easy to understand. It is also called the mother of all the languages because some features are borrowed from these languages, or some features are borrowed from this language, or some languages are derived from this language. That's why C is mother of all the languages. Okay, so C is also called the system programming language. It is because some operating systems or some tools are developed by using this language. That's why it's also called the system programming language. Also, C is procedure-oriented programming language. It is because C follows some procedure, like it follows top-down approach. Like we have to develop the main function first, and by using that function, we have to call all the sub-functions. We are going to see in the next videos. Okay, that's fine. C is also called a mid-level programming language. It is because basically there are three types of levels, like high level, mid-level, and low level. Low level language is our binary language, that is zeros and ones. High level language is the English, simple English that we are speaking, and the mid-level language is the programming languages like C, C++. Okay, that's fine. So let's see some features about C language. I said like C is very simple, easy to understand, or is it friendly. It is a machine independent or portable. It is like we can run our C code in the any of the machine like Kali, Linux, like Ubuntu, like Windows. Okay, so I said like C is a mid-level programming language. Okay, also C is having the rich set of libraries like hash include. We are going to see in the next videos. Don't worry about that. By using the C language, we can manage our memory, we can discard the memory, we can allocate the memory. We have some like keywords for that. Okay, so C is having speed, like it is a fast speed, we can say that. Also we are having some pointers, some recursion functions. We are going to see all the things in the future videos, so stay tuned with the intro. And you have any doubts, or yeah, we wanted to give some suggestions, so that comment box is yours. Also subscribe to our channel. Okay, that's fine. That's the rest of the thing you can do it, right? Okay, thank you.